Good afternoon. This is Decolation, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a few months since I've uploaded or recorded any videos. School has been pretty hectic, and work has been pretty busy as well, so I just haven't had time to really take the time to make some videos on cars. And also we had a lot of home renovations going on, so apologize that I've been gone for so long, but now I'm back. And I just want to do kind of like a garage update. There's been a lot of changes to the actual workspace and actually the amount of cars I have. I've got a new addition. So I'm just going to introduce all the cars and kind of tell what my plans are for the next cars. All right, first and foremost, Fighter, my 2015 Hennessy HPE 700 Corvette. This baby right here, he's not going anywhere. He is here to stay. Pretty much all of the things that I want to do to him are pretty much done. So this is just my perfect street car. This car is just going to stay the way it is. I'll do a little cold start so you can hear the beauty of his exhaust. And that's Fighter. Beautiful exhaust. All right, next we're going to move to my 2015 Ford Taurus SHO, also known as El Toro. This is my daily driver. This is a car that you can comfortably drive wherever, whenever. Just get in. It's just a beautiful car to drive. It's a 3.5 liter twin turbo, all-wheel drive. Right now I've got it tuned. Pretty much runs about a high 12 and a quarter, and it's one of the most comfortable cars you can imagine. So like in here, we check out the interior. So two-tone suede and leather seats. These seats are heated, cooled, and massage. Got extra gauges in here. There's another video coming out soon about these gauges and these wires that's going to get tucked in the next video. But yeah, this is just one of my favorite daily drivers I've ever owned, and we'll do a little cold start. It's not very loud, but it does run high 12s in the quarter. So yeah, that's that. It's very quiet. So let's talk about what the plans are for this car. All right, so right now, all I've done to it was just a tune, intake, spark plugs, and a low temperature thermostat. That's it. But future plans, I'm going to do charge pipes, solid hot charge pipes, down pipes, full exhaust. I'm going to put coilovers on it, and we're going to do a solid trans mount, and then this car is going to be done. Nothing else really needs to be done to it. It really just plants the car and makes it nice and solid, and be really excited to have it. All right, now here goes my 2016 Ford F-150, also known as Beast. This is one of the longest cars I've owned in recent history. I love this truck to death. This truck has been through so much. I got it in California, and I moved across the country with this truck. I was able to get everything I needed. So done a lot of simple things to this truck, nothing crazy, but my whole idea of this truck is to make it look as stock as possible on the outside, but really have all the luxuries that I want in a truck on the inside. So right now, one of the things you will notice that everyone notices first is the exhaust. So do a little cold start on the truck exhaust. All right, yeah, see that? That's just water, not fuel or anything crazy, but definitely shotgun blasted the camera. So yeah, this is beast. Future plans for this truck is I really want to either supercharge or twin turbo this truck. I haven't fully decided yet. I'm leaning more towards twin turbos. I think this would be a very interesting drag truck especially on the street, where you're like, oh, this is just a F-150 and just destroying all competition on the road. So yeah, that's the current plans for this truck right now. So we'll see. All right, last but not least, this is my 2008 Porsche Cayman S. I just picked this car up a little over a week ago, and I'm really want to take this car to the tracks. I really wanted a car that I can have no conscience about driving on a track and not worrying about destroying it. The Corvette would have been a lovely car to take on the track, but because it's a Hennessy tuned car and it's a numbered car, I really don't want to risk the value of the car and really beating it up. And I was able to pick this up for a great deal, so I decided to go with this car. Now, future plans for this car, it's 100% stock right now. The first thing I'm going to do is the basic maintenance on these cars, because I don't know the history of it. So I want to do all of the basic maintenance of things that could go wrong in this car. First things first, I'm going to be doing spark plugs, ignition coils, oil change, you know, just the basic routine maintenance that needs to be done on these cars. Hold on. Alrighty. So, nice red guards, red exterior and black leather interior. Very clean. It has about 72,000 miles when I picked it up. Plenty of practical trunk space. Here goes the first trunk in the rear. So this is not too deep, but this has some little cubbies on the side and nice little storage spaces right here and a little parcel tray. The engine is right under here, pretty easy to access. And oil and coolant fill is right there. And then you go to the front, and you have the fabled Porsche frunk, and most front engine cars, mid-engine cars or rear engine cars have. So you have nice, very deep space. I could fit a person in here. Very spacious. And the tools are back here. There's actually little hidden cubbies and stuff you can put stuff in. Brake fluid, washer fluid is up front right there. And yeah, this is just a fun little toy car that I really want to build up to be a nice little track car. There's a lot of things coming. I haven't fully conceptualized what I want to do to this car yet, so we'll see kind of how it evolves. There's definitely a lot of visual mods that are coming. I love the red on the Porsche. I'm not usually a fan of red cars, but I love the red on this body. But I think it's a little too red, so there's going to be some black accents coming to this car, but that shall be revealed soon. But yes, that's kind of my current garage right now. Knowing me, it may change. I have the habit of getting a new car every 6 months, so we'll see in 6 months, see how this changes. But for right now, I'm pretty content with my current stable. It's the first time in a long time I've been happy with every car that I've owned, that I currently own. So we'll see how this goes. All right. All right, guys, now we're gonna do a little cold start. The exhaust is pretty stock right now, so it's really quiet until you really rev it out, but I'll let you guys hear it. See, pretty quiet. That's probably one of the first things that's going to be upgraded. Is the stock exhaust on these cars are so restrictive that once you free up just the headers and the exhaust system, you can free up over 20 wheel horsepower, which is pretty impressive. So, but yes, there'll be more to come to this, and there's gonna be a complete build series playlist on my channel just for this car. I really want to create a playlist for all the cars because they all got something coming to them, and I really just kind of want to make it easy for you guys to find which car you're most interested in, and you kind of just follow the progression of each vehicle. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching this little garage update that I have going on. Please like, subscribe, leave in the comments if you like the video. If you don't like the video, there's any more content that you want, please don't hesitate to ask.